it'll be a short video, right? So if you want to just pay attention now or take a picture, whatever you want to do. But we're going to do, obviously there's going to be some converting. So between just units and also rates, I would say probably rates is going to be the one that is going to be most common. So rates is when you're converting, miles per hour to kilometers per hour or stuff like that. Then the best buy kind of questions or best fuel economy, who's the fastest, questions like that. So convert to unit rates. There's that, I don't know if you remember what unit rates are, but it's really how much per one. That's what it means. How much for one pound, for 1 gallon, for anything over one. That's what you want to do with determining which one is best. And I'm just giving you a reminder. There. So maybe I'll get you to write down more, then I'll talk a bit more. Otherwise, you're going to be... From what I see, that it's safe to say that Reynolds, you kind of have that under control. Sure, you made some mistakes, but just learn from them. So I would say focus a little bit more on scale factors, like finding it, right? Finding the scale factor. Sometimes you have to square root it. Sometimes you have to cube root it, right? And once you have the scale factor, I can ask you to figure out other missing dimensions between the two shapes. Practice that, please, to make sure you're good with that, because I would say 2/3 is probably more scale factor than anything else. So we'll see you tomorrow. It's what, second period test, so that's better than first. Can I just remind you that a scale factor should not have units, okay? So you might have to do some converting so that the units cancel out. You may state it as a fraction, decimal percent. If I don't ask you, don't worry about simplifying it. Just leave it as is if you want to state it as a fraction. And remember the difference between a scale and scale factor, and they can easily be rewritten, right? A scale can be rewritten. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Just dock it over there. Yeah, if you need to dock it, you can do it now and then just pick it up sometime during lunch. Probably be a good idea.